This video is going to show how to remove a wheel from an Enertrac Hub mounted electric motor. First we'll undo the U-bolt, holds the brake in place, and just move it aside. Just move the U-bolt out of the way. Like that. Next we'll undo the mounting screw for the caliper, and we'll move that out of the way as well. Then we'll disconnect the quick neck fluid connectors and the plug, which is the main battery feed, and also the control lead here. This shows the liquid disconnected and also the control wires. Next is to undo the main spindle nut, take it out. So the wheel's ready to come out now, and voila, ready to change the flat. Except for one more thing, to change the tyre, of course, we need the special MC tool. Not MC for motorcycle, but for milk crate. There you have it. And the tyre on the milk crate is ready to be changed. A good platform to work on.